Welcome back to the channel, your ultimate source for pro audio teardowns, live sound engineering, and tour-grade speaker hardware reviews. Today, we are putting an absolute powerhouse of German acoustic engineering under the spotlight, a high-output active multi-purpose loudspeaker engineered specifically for sound engineers, touring bands, event venues, and audio production professionals who demand reference-grade tonal accuracy, networkable DSP control, and rugged roadworthiness. The HK Audio Linear 9112Z 700-watt 12-inch active stage monitor and FOH loudspeaker. HK Audio has long been respected across European stages for building bulletproof live sound hardware, and the Linear 9 series represents their most advanced active point source deployment to date. Handcrafted in Germany, the 112XA is housed in a heavy-duty Birch multiplex enclosure finished in scratch-resistant black polyurethane. Weighing in at 20.5 kilograms, its asymmetrical cabinet features a 30-degree monitor wedge angle, allowing it to sit low to the stage floor as a high-performance vocal wedge or stand vertically on a pole as a primary front-of-house main. Behind its heavy-gauge steel grille resides a formidable bi-amped acoustic layout. The Linear 9112XA pairs a high-excursion 12-inch woofer featuring a 2.5-inch voice coil with a 1-inch high-frequency compression driver. Driven by ultra-efficient 700-watt RMS Class-D power amplifier, this active monitor pumps out a staggering 131 decibels of peak sound pressure level. To ensure perfect high-frequency coverage whether positioned horizontally on stage or vertically on a speaker stand, it features a 70 by 50 degree constant directivity horn that can be physically rotated 90 degrees inside the cabinet in seconds. The digital heart of the 112XA is its internal 96 kHz digital signal processor featuring linear phase FIR filtering. The rear panel provides instant hardware access to system presets including flat, monitor, low cut, and remote. Connecting the speaker to your network via its locking EtherCon ports gives you full control through the HK Audio DSP control software, unlocking 10-band parametric EQs, limiting, alignment delays, and system grouping. It even includes a dedicated processed XLR DSP output, allowing you to feed non-networked active speakers or subwoofers and control them directly through the 112XA's onboard processor. Complete with locking PowerCon main power connectors and DuoTilt pole mounts, it represents the gold standard in versatile touring audio. If you enjoyed this comprehensive live audio teardown, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Are you using the Linear 9 as a stage wedge or a front-of-house main?